in this butterfly valve assembly. Today we are going to see how to make this. So first open CATIA, then go on start, then mechanical design, and then assembly design. After that we have to import first body. So first click on this existing component and then go on product, select body and then open it. After that let's move it by using this manipulation command. Use this manipulation command to move it from one place to another place. So when we will take our next component inside the CATIA, so they will not coincide with it. Now let's move this upside down. Now after that use this fix component option to fix this component. Now it's not able to move. You can see even I am trying it, it's not moving. Now our next component, we have to take our next component. So click on existing component and then go on product. Our next component is shaft. So let's import it and it's here. Now again use this manipulation command to rotate it according to this line. I am moving it and again using this manipulation command to make it in the alignment with this body. Now they both are aligned. After that use this coincide command again, select this axis of this with axis of this. After that we have to again select this offset command. We have to give offset between this surface with this surface of the body, and distance should be 0 so they can coincide to each other. After that use this update option. Now it's updated. Now our next part is we have to import retainer. So click on existing component and then product, and here is retainer. Open it. After that we have to use this coincide constraint. Select axis of this with axis of this. Again we have to coincide centers also. So again use this coincide constraint, select axis of this with axis of this, and after that we have to give offset command. Wait a second, first use this manipulation command to move this plate to this side. Now we have to give dimensions. Now use this offset command, select this surface with this surface and give distance here 0 and enter it. After that update it. Now we have to import our next component. So click on this existing component, then go on product and import screw. After that open it, then again use manipulation command to fix the side of this screw, and use this again manipulation command to move it to the front side of the assembly. After that again use this coincide command, select axis of screw and then axis of hole. Similarly use this offset command, select surface of this with surface of this and give distance as 0 and click on OK. After that update it from here. Now it's updated. Our next you again select this screw, then go on this symmetry option and select the plane on which you want symmetry, and this is how we have completed our sketch, screw. Now we have to import again one more screw to fix it. Not shaft, is screw. Similarly use manipulation command to move it from one place to another, and then to move it from one side to another side. I am doing it. After that use this coincide command, select axis of this with axis of this, and use this offset command, select surface of retainer with surface of this screw and give distance as 0 and enter it. After that use this update command to update it. And now we have to import our next component, so let's import it. Go on existing component, then click on product, and our next component is arm, so open it. Now again use manipulation command to fix it with alignment. It's aligned, and again use this to front side to bring it to front side of the assembly. After that use this again coincide command, select axis and again axis of both, then similarly use this offset command. Now select this surface of retainer and this surface of arm, and distance should be 0 and click on OK and then update it. Now this is how we have completed our half sketch. We have to import our next component whose name is nut. So import nut again and click on OK. Now use this manipulation command again to move it from one place to another, and again this rotation to make it align. Similarly use this coincide command, select axis of screw and then use offset command and give distance at 0 between both of the surface and update it. Similarly our last part is remaining, so go on existing component, and our next component is plate, and go on open. After that we have to fix it with both of the hole, so go on this coincide command, select axis of holes and again axis of this hole. Similarly again axis of second hole. It will take some time but you have to do it with axis of this hole and then update it from here. Now use this offset command and give distance between that surface to the back surface is 0 and click on enter. After that update it. This is how we have completed our sketch, this assembly. Thank you so much guys for watching it.